Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining this channel for the first time or watching my video for the first time, my name is Aaron and I make videos about tech, finance, about trading, forex, also about how to build an online business, but most importantly, self-development as a man. So if that's what you like, do make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get updated. So today I'm very excited because I found a way for you guys to get very cheap data for as low as I think 225 naira. You can get 1 gigabyte of data. I'm also going to show you guys a cheat code that actually works. I'm going to dial it on my phone that you can get for even way cheaper. With just 200 naira you can get 1 gigabyte of data. So I know most of you guys watching this channel are people that are into tech, so and also I'll be making videos about how to build an online business and you need data for that. So this video will really help you a lot, so do make sure to stick to the end of the video because I'll be showing the bonus trick on how to get even cheaper data. So I'll show you guys step by step on my laptop or on my phone. So if you haven't already, subscribe. Let's get into my phone.
So guys, this is the platform we'll be using. As you can see, you can pay your data for less with nearly free. So that's the name of the platform. So I know most of you might be rushing to go and try to use it on your own, but I want to show you guys a trick on how you can get the data for a very cheap price. Also how you can fund the accounts like this, how you can fund it. Because see, I already have some already. I'll show you guys the best payment method you use to fund the account. So and also the best offers you can get. So as you can see, forget about the design of the website because it looks kind of weird. It doesn't look really nice, but what we're looking for is not the design but the functionalities. As you can see, so if you want to buy data, click on the menu icon. See, you can convert airtime to cash as well if you wish to. So but what we're concerned about in this video is how to buy data bundle. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert airtime to cash. If you want to see that, drop a comment in the comment section and also like and subscribe. Then I will make a video on how you can convert the time to cash with this platform. So once you click on buy data, you can see buy cheap data bundle, then select. You can see this plan allows us to buy MTN 1 gigabyte for as low as 220 naira, almost 200 naira. You can buy MTN 1 gigabyte of data. Also buy 3.5 gigabytes of data for 550 naira. So this is actually the cheapest I've seen so far. If you have any, I don't think there's any other cheaper alternative. But if you have a cheaper alternative, drop it in the comment section or go and drop it in your own channel because this is like the cheapest plan. So one thing I like about this platform is that if you put a number, you see that the number gets validated, the name of the contact gets validated. So you can see my name shows here because that's my phone number. You put another person's number, it also shows the person's name. So it's it's a very nice platform to use because they have those functionalities. So you see that they also have like a WhatsApp group to join, so you can check out. You can even talk to their admins directly. So there are also cheap data plans for Airtel. There are cheap data plans for Glo. There are cheap data plans for Nine Mobile. So let's go ahead to how you can get the account funded. So I'm trying to fund some cash into the account now so you guys can see it live. So once you just click on this arrow icon pointing down, once you click on it, then you click on use money points. Don't use Rema Bank, don't use Sterling Bank. Try your best to use money points. They only charge 1% of the amount you are sending, so make sure to be careful. If you want to buy 220 naira data plan for MTN, make sure to send 220 naira, 222 or 225, so they can take out their 1% and you still have some money in you to use. So I'll be going to my phone now. I'll make the transfer. Just copy um the address, then the money point. You see your name there at the payment address, and you send. You also see nearly free there, so you send the money there to get credited to your account. You just come up with your phone number and you make the payment. So for those of you that want to already start using the platform, I'll drop the link in the comment section in the description. So do well to use this my referral link because you get additional bonus if you use someone's referral link. So do well to use my referral links to join.
Okay, this is my bank app now. I've put in the money point address, so I'm going to select the bank, which is money points. Now you can see it says nearly free and the first three letters of my username. So I just have to click on next. Then I'm going to just try to fund. Okay, let me just fund 15 naira now just for trial sake, so you guys can see because I already have enough data. So I'm funding 15 naira now. So as you can see, 50 naira has been sent to my nearly free. I'm going to go and check the platform now if it has been credited.
So as you can see here, the balance has been credited. I funded 50 naira, and you see my balance before was 13 naira. Now it's 600, is 63 naira. So you can see, and it happened in like less than a minute. So it's actually very instant. It's not something that happened like manual payment. Instant. If you check the time I sent it, it was around 8 minutes, 10 minutes past 8. I mean 8 minutes past 10, and now it's already 9 minutes. So it's less than 1 minute. It happens almost instant when you use money point. You see, get credited to your account. So there's nothing like anything fake here. So I don't know if there's any plan that is as low as 63 naira. So I can also prove to you that you guys that it works, and also show you guys how I'm going to buy it. So you can see I can buy data for as low as 14. It's 14 naira. Okay, that plan is not available right now. So anyways, guys, immediately you fund your account, just come put your number, get the payment. So if you want to check, maybe you fund the account and the person you sent the payment to, the data to has not received it yet, you can also come and check. Just go to my account. If you go to my account, then you see transaction history. Go to transaction history, you'll be able to see all the transactions. You can see this is the bank transfer, it was credited, this was the 63 naira I made, and this is data I bought. You can see the number you bought the data for. So you guys can use this as a way to make some money. You can sell data to people for the arbitrage price. You can tell them the data costs 300, and come here and buy it for 220 naira, and you make money doing so. So if you want to learn more tricks, more about tech, more how to do videos, more make money online videos, do make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell notification button so that you can get updated whenever I drop a video, or else you might not just see this channel any time and you just miss out on the videos. So see you guys in the next video. Maybe if you want me to do a video on how to converted time to cash or any other solutions you want, just drop it in the comment section. I read all comments and answer all comments. My WhatsApp number is also in the description in case anyone wants to reach out. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like.